Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your image in InDesign not pixelated after you export. So there are three steps or three ways, different ways. First is by checking the view and then display performance. Then make sure it's in high quality. Okay. Next is by clicking the image, right click, and then go to display performance, then click high quality. Next is file. Then if you're going to export it using interactive usually, but if you export in print, it will actually have less pixelated, so it's okay. But if you try exporting it in interactive, um, it's pixelated. So try that one. Um, so next is go to compression. Make sure the compression is automatic. Then image quality, make sure it's maximum. And then the resolution, make sure it's 300. So after that one, if you export it, as you can see, it is looking good. So thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.